This is Biz Talk Discovery, and I'm Carl Wolfenden. Getting yourself found online needs positive reviews, so we spoke to Ryan at Clutch to find out more.
Here at Clutch, we offer small to medium-sized businesses a great resource for research, ratings, and reviews on other business service providers. We're offering to close the gap in information or knowledge out there on services largely in the technology, development, and marketing space. Here at Clutch, the big differences are our validated reviews. All of the reviews that you see on Clutch.co are conducted in-house by a teammate of mine, validated, edited, curated for a pristine piece of content that offers readers and viewers and users of our site a full story on what a vendor offers. Clutch entered this space acknowledging that there was a lack of information. There are a lot of review providers out there. Many of them are not necessarily always trustworthy, and specifically in the space of business-to-business services, again, Clutch is working to close the gap in information out there and help businesses be more successful together.
Join Carl in business class every week, talking sales, marketing, travel, recruitment, and more. Every week we cover business topics that are trending and answer your questions. Email your questions at questions@businessclassnews.com. Visit our website at www.businessclassnews.com.
Every week, we showcase businesses around the world. We call this our social showtime on Business Class News. We are on all the major platforms: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google+, and more. We tailor our distribution to an audience that is relevant to your business, getting you in front of your customers. You become your own co-host on a branded segment on our shows. So what does that mean for your business? Social media is a powerful tool if used in the right way. Consistency and repetition is the key to success. When you become a regular contributor on Business Class News, your prospects and customers will get to know you, and more importantly, trust you. Having Business Class News feature you gives you credibility and is great content to share on your social media. We call this transference of trust, and it gives the audience the confidence that you are an expert in your own industry or product sector. Our branded segments drive leads and inquiries that you can turn into sales. To book a guest interview on our shows, go to businessclassnews.com and let us feature you and your business to help you grow.